I'm back. But you know why I'm back? It's because I'm broke. I've gotten into this loop of I need money. But to make money, I need to make YouTube videos. And to make YouTube videos, I need more money. And, well, you might be wondering, why do you need money to make YouTube videos? Because time is money. And I don't have time, so I don't have money. But we can fix that. In our financial literacy course, welcome everyone. I hope you all had a lovely couple months without me. If you did not, I am so sorry, but feel free to donate to me via the YouTube Premium members feature right there down below. So if you want to maybe support a fellow creator, I'm here. So you might be wondering, why? Why, of all things, a financial literacy course? When I have so many other things I could teach you. I could teach you Rust. I could teach you Golang. I could teach you Dart and Flutter, which are amazing and courses are on the way, but that's still a little whiles off. Or I could actually just talk about freaking finish the NIM course. I hear you guys. But we'll get to that. So why exactly a financial literacy course when I could be teaching you all of the other cool stuff? Maybe finally make part 2 of the Afrikaans course. Also on the way. Just a little bit of things happening at the house. But next time the course happens, maybe the background will look a little cooler or something. Who knows? We'll see. So recently I took up a financial literacy course myself. And if you've been following me along while I live stream occasionally, you might have actually heard about me setting up a couple of goals and then saying what I want to achieve, when I want to achieve, and most of them are like short to mid-term goals, not really long-term ones. And one of them was just become better financially. It's like they say in Civ, you want to rub up against money in hopes that some of it rubs off against you. And that's what I'm doing. So I have started that course and now want to teach you what I have learned. Now, this goes without saying, I'm not a financial professional. So something you should take note of is when whatever tips and guidance I give you, if you seem to end up on the south side of good, then I recommend you go ask a financial professional, an actual one. There is no shame in asking a financial professional for help. Just like there is no shame in me telling you about our sponsor for today, which is no one. I don't know, I'm a sponsor repellent. Why does nobody want to sponsor me? I have contacted you, but you put me on red? What is this nonsense? At least tell your marketing team to say, nope, we ain't gonna sponsor you, but leaving me on red? That hurts the soul, my guy. Anyway, so no sponsor, you are lucky. But yeah, just again, go to actual financial professional if you want actual financial advice. This is just a course on how to manage your money properly. So to the heart of this first video, what will you actually learn from this course? So in this course, together, you and I, we will learn to understand the basics and the very important financial concepts. And this will usually include things like budgeting, interest rates, credit scores, investing, something I'm actually pretty excited to learn, and just knowing what to look out for and what to look for when buying stuff so you can save up and buy your dream car or whatever you want to buy. Maybe save up actually, and so you can actually retire. Whole thing came from me realizing I'm not going to be able to retire. I am broke. So I need to find a way to retire, and hopefully I can. So you don't need a specific set of skills to follow along this course. So you don't need to be good at math. You don't need to be like financially literate already. I'll be teaching all of that to you. You don't need to do economics in school. I didn't. You don't need to be good at programming, even though if you are good at programming, it could potentially help you financially in the future. Who knows? Nudge, nudge, look at all of these cool courses. Or actually, I should just put it that way because I don't have space on the side. But yeah, take a look at all those cool courses in case you're interested. And if you need some encouragement, well, when I first started this, I thought just putting all of my money into a savings account would be more than enough for me to, survive and in the long term thrive. No, it is actually not. So in this course, you'll actually learn what you need to do to survive and thrive, and not just have everything in a savings account and hope for the best. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you all in the upcoming courses, and yeah, until next time.